I follow up video to the teardown of the ASN-46 navigation computer. So in the teardown video I mentioned I was annoyed with the set screws on the buttons, which were a very special kind of head. And some viewer suggested it should be Bristol spline profile. And surely enough it was, so thanks. So I went online on eBay and I spent $20 for this. It is called a Bristol Spline Range Set SS508 for Collins and Lee-Crafters radio gear. So they come in two sizes. I did almost order the wrong one and get the big keys, but this one is the correct one with the smaller keys. And yes, it is insanely expensive, but hopefully it did allow me to remove all the buttons and do all the set screw with not too many hassle, because they are the correct tool to do it. So now I can remove this front panel, and my goal is to clean the dials because they are quite dirty and really they did need cleaning. So we have just 4 remaining screws to undo. The button here was quite annoying because it is a complicated thing with a lock pin on the side, a hidden screw on the top, and in fact it came in several parts because there is this locking mechanism allowing it to stop at only some defined spots. But it is done. I have 4 short screws to undo here. I did undo all the buttons, all the lights and such, and now, yes, I can lift this front panel. So it is interesting to note the glass, the windows are glued on this. We have a date code of October 1976. And here we are under the panel. There is some kind of, yes, a rubber sheet with making seals for all the buttons. So I hope it will come with not too many problems. So I will clean it with hot soapy water because it is quite dirty. Yes. So there is a missing piece here, it seems. And here we are finally. Yes, here is what it looks like behind the front plate. So as you can see, it is pretty filthy and dusty. So I will clean all this with a brush probably. What else? In fact, nothing special. Here are all the screws attaching the front piece to the main structure inside, and of course they are completely stuck. I will not even try to undo them because there is no point for it. The light sockets here, and at least access to the indicators and possibility to clean them. So I will do it now. So if you want to if you encounter this profile of screws or set screws, as you can see, almost like Allen but with a little castellated thing at the angles, it is the Bristol spline wrench you need, and they are really hard to find. In fact, even Amazon do not have them, or at a crazy price of $250 or something like this. So eBay saved my life this time. It was not cheap, but the only other websites where they were available, it was just crazy expensive. So quite happy with it, and it will probably be useful for more other avionics teardowns. So thanks for watching, bye bye.